Welcome to the first episode of Mastering Trigonometry, your complete guide to learning trigonometry step by step. Whether you are a student preparing for exams or just curious about how angles and triangles work, you are in the right place. Today we'll cover the basics, what trigonometry is, key concepts, and how to calculate basic trigonometric ratios. Let's get started. What is trigonometry? It is a study of angles and sides in a right angle. Trigonometry comes from the Greek word trigonon, means triangle, and metron means measure. It is a branch of mathematics that studies the relationship between angles and the sides of the right angle triangle. But why should we study about this? Because it is used in various fields like architecture, engineering, physics, and even in video game designs. To understand trigonometry, we need to explore right angle triangle. So what you are seeing there is a right angle triangle with angle 90 degree. The longest side, that is the side opposite to the right angle, is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the longest side opposite to the right angle. This is the longest side opposite to the right angle, and this is the hypotenuse of this triangle. The side next to the angle we are working is called the opposite side of the triangle. So if this is the angle we are working with, the side opposite to this angle is the opposite side of the triangle. The adjacent side is the side next to the angle in question. So this is the side next to the angle in question, and this is the adjacent side of the triangle. Now let's learn the three primary trigonometric ratios using the famous SOHCAHTOA rule. The first ratio is sine. Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is the opposite side and this is hypotenuse. And the ratio sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Then the next one is cosine or cos theta. The value of cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. The next one is tangent or tan theta. It is opposite side by adjacent side. A helpful way to remember these ratios is using a mnemonic SOHCAHTOA. So, S for sine, which is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. OH is O for opposite and H for hypotenuse. Similarly for cos theta, C for cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse, and TOA is T for tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Let's try an example. Suppose we have a right triangle where opposite side is 3 units, adjacent side is 4 units, and hypotenuse is 5 units. Let's find sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. You know that sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 3 units and hypotenuse is 5 units. So sine theta is 3 by 5 units. Similarly, cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 4 units and hypotenuse is 5 units. So cos theta is 4 by 5 units. And tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So 3 units by 4 units is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 7.75 units. These ratios help us to understand the relationship between the angles and the sides. Trigonometry is more than just triangles. It forms the foundation of calculus, physics, and even fields like computer graphics and architecture. Understanding these basic ratios will help you to solve the real-world problems involving heights, distance, and waves. Now it's time for a quick quiz. If the opposite side of the triangle is 5 units and hypotenuse is 13 units, what is sine theta? Write your answers in the comments below. Great job! Today you have learned the basics of trigonometry and how to calculate primary trigonometric ratios. In the next episode, we will dive deeper into trigonometric values and identity. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more math lessons. See you next time.